The vegan diet has been gaining more and more followers around the world, whether for ethical, environmental, or health reasons. For those considering adopting this eating style, it is essential to understand the basic principles and the first essential steps for a successful transition. This text aims to provide didactic and detailed guidance for adults and young people who want to start a vegan diet, covering everything from the fundamental concepts to the daily practices that facilitate adaptation. The vegan diet consists of excluding all foods of animal origin, including meat, dairy, eggs, honey, and any other animal-derived products. Unlike the vegetarian diet, which can include eggs and dairy, veganism is a choice that goes beyond diet, encompassing a lifestyle that seeks to avoid animal exploitation in all its forms. However, for beginners, the initial focus should be on diet, which is the basis for an efficient and healthy transition. One of the essential first steps for those who want to adopt a vegan diet is nutritional education. Understanding which nutrients are essential and how to obtain them from plant-based sources is crucial to avoiding deficiencies and ensuring a balanced diet. Protein, for example, is often a concern for beginners. Contrary to popular belief, it is perfectly possible to obtain sufficient protein on a vegan diet, as long as you include a variety of foods such as legumes, beans, lentils, chickpeas, tofu, tempeh, seitan, quinoa, and seeds. Combining different plant-based sources throughout the day ensures that you are getting all the essential amino acids. Another nutrient that deserves special attention is vitamin B12, which is not naturally found in plant-based foods. B12 supplementation is highly recommended for vegans, as a deficiency in this vitamin can lead to serious health problems such as anemia and neurological damage. In addition, it is important to be aware of your intake of iron, calcium, omega-3, and vitamin D. Iron, found in foods such as spinach, lentils, and nuts, is better absorbed when consumed with sources of vitamin C, such as citrus fruits. Calcium can be obtained from dark green vegetables, fortified tofu, and enriched plant-based beverages. For omega-3, flaxseed, chia seeds, and walnuts are excellent options. Vitamin D, in turn, can be obtained through sun exposure or supplements, especially in regions with little sunlight. In addition to the nutritional aspects, it is important to consider the gradual transition to a vegan diet. For many, the abrupt change can be challenging and even demotivating. A gradual approach, such as gradually reducing meat consumption and trying new vegan recipes, can make the adaptation easier. For example, it is possible to start by replacing cow's milk with plant-based beverages, such as almond, oat, or soy milk, and include more dishes based on vegetables, grains, and whole grains in the menu. Gradually, new foods and preparations can be incorporated, expanding the culinary repertoire and making the diet more varied and tasty. Variety is, in fact, one of the pillars of a healthy vegan diet. Eating a wide range of plant-based foods not only ensures that you're getting essential nutrients, but it also makes your diet more interesting and enjoyable. Experimenting with different types of fruits, vegetables, legumes, grains, seeds, and nuts is a way to discover new flavors and textures, as well as avoiding monotony. For those just starting out, it can be helpful to look for inspiration in vegan cookbooks, blogs, YouTube channels, and even apps that offer menu suggestions and practical tips. Another important aspect for beginners is reading labels. Many processed foods may contain ingredients of animal origin, even if they are not obvious at first glance. Gelatin, casein, whey, and dyes such as carmine are examples of substances derived from animals that may be present in processed foods. Learning to identify these ingredients and choosing products that are certified vegan is a practice that contributes to the consistency of the diet. The vegan diet can also be an opportunity to explore new cultures and culinary traditions. Many cuisines around the world have dishes that are traditionally vegan or that can be easily adapted. Indian cuisine, for example, offers a variety of dishes based on vegetables, spices, and grains, such as dal, lentil soup, and vegetable curry. Mediterranean cuisine, with its focus on vegetables, whole grains, and olive oil, is also an excellent source of inspiration for those seeking a healthy and tasty diet. Finally, it is important to emphasize that a vegan diet, when well planned, can bring several health benefits. Studies have shown that plant-based diets are associated with a lower risk of chronic diseases, such as heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and certain types of cancer. Additionally, a vegan diet can help with weight loss, improved digestion, and increased energy. However, it is essential that the transition is made consciously and informedly, with attention to individual nutritional needs. Continuing our exploration of the essential first steps to starting a vegan diet, it is important to address practical aspects that make it easier to adopt this eating style on a daily basis. Organization and planning are key to ensuring that the diet is not only healthy, but also convenient and sustainable in the long term. In this second part, we will discuss strategies for putting together a balanced menu, tips for smart shopping, and how to deal with common challenges faced by beginners. One of the first challenges for those starting a vegan diet is putting together a weekly menu. Planning meals in advance can help you avoid running out of options and falling back into previous eating habits. A well-structured menu should include a variety of foods that ensure you get all the essential nutrients. For example, a day might include a breakfast of oatmeal and fruit, a lunch of quinoa, sautéed vegetables, and a green salad, and a dinner of lentil soup and whole grain bread. Snacks in between might include fresh fruit, trail mix, or hummus with vegetable sticks. Diversifying your diet is crucial not only for your nutrition, but also for maintaining interest in your diet. Experimenting with new recipes and ingredients can be an enriching experience. For example, tofu, which is made from soybeans, can be prepared in a variety of ways, such as grilling, baking, or dicing in salads. Tempeh, another soy product, has a firm texture and a slightly earthy flavor, making it an excellent option for replacing meat in dishes such as sandwiches and stir-fries. Seitan, made from wheat gluten, is rich in protein and has a texture similar to meat, and can be used in dishes such as beef stroganoff and kebabs. In addition to planning your menu, it is important to learn how to shop efficiently. A well-prepared shopping list can help you avoid waste and ensure that all the necessary ingredients are available. Prioritize fresh foods, such as fruits, vegetables, and legumes, and complement them with grains, legumes, seeds, and nuts. Products such as tofu, tempeh, and plant-based drinks can also be included, depending on individual preferences and needs. When shopping, it's helpful to check whether products are certified vegan, especially for processed items like sauces, dressings, and snacks. Another great tip is to cook at home whenever possible. Preparing your own meals allows you to control the ingredients and ensure that your diet is healthy and in line with vegan principles. To make things easier, you can set aside one day a week to prepare large batch meals like soups, stews, and cooked grains that you can store in the fridge or freezer and eat throughout the week. This not only saves time, but also reduces the temptation to turn to less healthy options when you're in a rush. For many first-timers, one of the biggest challenges is navigating social situations like family dinners or events where vegan options may be limited. In these cases, communication is key. Letting hosts know about your dietary restrictions in advance can help ensure that there are suitable options available. In situations where this is not possible, one alternative is to bring a vegan dish to share, which not only ensures that there is something to eat, but can also be an opportunity to introduce others to vegan cuisine. Another important aspect is seeking support and community. Joining vegan groups, whether online or in person, can provide emotional and practical support, as well as being a source of inspiration and exchange of experiences. Sharing questions, recipes, and tips with others who are going through the same transition can make the process easier and more enjoyable. In addition, the internet offers a multitude of resources, from blogs and forums to YouTube channels and Instagram profiles, dedicated to the vegan diet and the vegan lifestyle.